വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു ടീച്ച് ഫ്രം ഹാർട്ട്. NIOS +2 ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് എന്ന സബ്ജക്റ്റിലെ അസൈൻമെൻറ്റ് ആൻഡ് പ്രൊജക്റ്റ് ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. നിങ്ങൾ ഈ ചാനൽ ആദ്യമായി കാണുന്നവരാണെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായാൽ മറ്റുള്ളവരിലേക്ക് കൂടി ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഓപ്ഷൻ എ. വിച്ച് അവാർഡ് തിമ്മക്ക റിസീവ് ആൻഡ് ഫോർ വാട്ട്? Timaka received National Citizen Award for Social Forestry from the Prime Minister. Timaka was a childless lady and with her husband. She planted 284 banyan trees along 3 km stretch of a national highway in Karnataka. They reared the trees as their children. For her dedication to planting trees, she got award. Question number 2, option A. The house withdrew into silence. Snakes moved along books. I was then too young to read and my blood turned cold like the moon. Why did the house become a silent place? In this poem, my grandmother's house, Kamala Das is saying about the nostalgia of her childhood life in her grandmother's house. Now she felt a deep sense of sorrow. After the death of her grandmother, the house withdrew into silence. Whose blood turned cold like the moon? Here the poet's blood turned cold like the moon. The poetess compared the coldness of blood with the moon due to its lovely light is thought to be cool unlike the sun. Question number 3, option A. Why did the father write a letter to his son? Rahul's first rank slipped into second position and he informed his father. He lost a quarter mark for the first position, so his father advised him to think before answering. Question number 4, option B. Why did Timaka and her husband plant banyan trees? What steps they take to save the plant? Timaka and her husband Bikalu Chikkaya lived in Hullikal village in Karnataka. Timaka's husband was a disabled person and hence for living. She works in a quarry as a laborer. They were childless couple and they had to face neighbors' mocking remark. Their childlessness hit up on a plan to plant banyan trees and reared them like their children. Firm in their resolve, they took great pains to dig pits on either side of the road. They chose suitable banyan saplings and finally they planted 300 saplings and put up thorny bushes around to ensure that the cattle eat up the tender plants. Timaka brought water in pots from distances and poured it at the foot of sapling every day. She always kept a constant vigil on the trees and nursed the plants for 10 years. Question number 5, option B. How did Foley's mother react when her husband asked her about sending Foley to school? Why did mother react like this? Foley was the fourth daughter of Ramlal. When she was 10 months old, she had fallen off the cot on her head and perhaps it had damaged some part of her brain. That was why she remained a backward child and came to be known as Foley. Foley was 7 years old. A primary school for girls was opened in their village. When Ramlal asked his wife to send Foley primary school, she opposed it and told that if girls go to school, who will marry them? At last she agreed Foley to send school. She thought she never got a better marriage with her ugly face and lack of sense. Question number 6, B on option. Bio sketch of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, known as Iron Man of India, was born on October 31st, 1875, Nadiad in Gujarat, India. By profession, he was a barrister who turned into a statesman by joining Indian National Congress and leading an important role in the freedom movement. He was the fourth son in a family, growing up in Karamsad under the care of his mother. Feeling the urge to study England, studied English at the age of 16. After completing his 7th grade in Gujarat, Vallabhai moved to Patel, a small town 7 meters from his home. At the age of 22, he completed his matriculation from Nadiad. Thereafter, he aspired to study in Mumbai, but life took him in another direction. Even as a young boy, Sardar Patel displayed qualities of organization and leadership marked him out for his future role. Sardar Patel lived an extraordinary life in extraordinary times. Post-independence, Sardar Patel held the honor of being the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India. Vallabhai Patel, also considered as the father of Indian civil services, and has been conferred with the highest civilian honor in India, the Bharat Ratna. In 2018, Government of India gave another tribute to Patel by unveiling the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue. Sardar Vallabhai Patel was a prominent figure in the Indian freedom struggle. He is known for his contribution in integrating 565 princely states into a newly independent India. In 1928, Patel successfully organized the landowners of Bardoli against British tax increases. In 1931, he served as the president of Indian National Congress in its Karachi session, which changed the nature of movement from a political struggle and added to a new socio-economic dimension. In 1947, when India got freedom, Patel became the Deputy Prime Minister. Patel was a selfless leader who placed the country's interest above everything else and shaped India's destiny with single-minded devotion. Sardar Patel took a prominent place in the Indian freedom struggle. He also represented India Partition Council. Sardar Patel was given the Herculean task of the political integration of India and is responsible for unifying 565 princely states in our country. Hence, Sardar Patel was called the Iron Man of India. Sardar Patel was died on December 15, 1950 at Birla House in Mumbai. Patel's contribution to Indian freedom struggle has been remarkable and incomparable.